Does paying insurance monthly or annually actually make any difference at all? So today I just want to do a comparison with a whole life insurance policy that I am currently holding and paying for the last 2 years to find out whether do I save any money by paying it monthly or annually. I own a whole life insurance plan with Aviva, and monthly I'm paying 195 and 5 cents. So in the annual total, when I times it by the calendar months of 12 months, I'm actually paying 2,340.60. If you know me, I pay my insurance policy monthly for the whole life insurance plan that I have and the endowment plan because I use the Absolute Amex cashback card so that I can get a 1.7% cashback. If you do not know how to do that, refer to my how to earn cashback video. Link will be up above and down below. I just want to do a comparison annually, monthly, and using something else to refinance it. Will it be worth it to pay monthly? The whole life insurance plan that I have, if you were to choose to pay annually, you will pay a total of 2283.50, and I can also use the Absolute Amex card to earn me a 1.7% cashback. Annual net, I'm actually paying $2,244.68. Currently, I'm paying the whole life insurance plan monthly, and every month I'm paying $195.05. If I times it by 12, I'm actually paying $2,340.60. And the Absolute Amex card will give me a 1.7% cashback monthly. If I add it up in total, I'm earning $39.79. Take a quick pause. I'm currently editing the video. I just want to add on to say that if you are only using the Absolute Amex card to get a 1.7% cashback on your premiums, pay your insurance premiums annually. So continue on into the video. I'll show you how you can pay your insurance premium monthly and still save you more money. So let's get back into the video. And to add on, if I were to refinance this money, refinancing means that you use the amount that you were supposedly supposed to pay for something to use it to invest in something and earn something back. So say for example, the recent Astria Azalea bonds that came out, it gave a 4.125% interest payment annually, and you will pay out semi-annually. So if I were to put this $2,340.60 into the Azalea bond, and I have 4.125% interest payment annually, I will receive 96.55 cents back every year. And the annual net that I'm actually paying for the insurance plan is actually only 2204.26, and the total amount that I save is $40.42. So this is the second comparison using the Absolute Amex card, which is consistent if you were to pay annually as well, and also to refinance it by investing in a bond that gives you an interest percentage back. So for this example, I was using the Astria Azalea bonds that just came out a few weeks ago. And in the last scenario, if you are a person who can stomach a bigger risk and if you want to refinance this amount, you can go into crypto stablecoin. It's a $1 peg to the USD amount. That's why I mentioned that if you are a risk taker and you are able to stomach this risk for $2,000, you can go ahead this route. So let's break down how much do you actually save. If you were to park the $2,000 over dollars that you were to pay for this insurance policy into Hodernot gives you a 9.4% if I'm not wrong. So an interest of 9.9, let's just take 9%. 9% on the $2,340.60 that you were to pay monthly, you would get $210.65 back. And the annual total that you were to pay for this policy is actually $2,090.16. So the total amount saved for you putting the insurance premium money into Hodernot, $2,000, the interest that you actually get back, you would save $154.52. The consistent apple-to-apple comparison is that you were to use the Absolute Amex card to pay for this insurance premium to get you 1.7% back. And if I were to do a comparison between these three, I'm actually saving much more if I can stomach a bigger risk and put it into Hodernot to earn me 9%. To a certain extent, I am also a risk-averse person. I do invest in bonds and I do invest in cryptocurrency. I have not dabbled with stocks, which I I actually do want to, and I want to find out more. If you have any platforms that to refer me to read up more, do let me know as well, apart from like Seedly maybe. Now you must be thinking that the last option of actually putting the amount into a cryptocurrency stablecoin is too much of a risk. Yes, it is. To just save $154, it is not worth it. Every individual circumstance is different. Whether you can keep track of paying your bills monthly or even on time, and even finding different ways to refinance the interest payments monthly, it is different for every single individual. And if you're a person who couldn't care less about this and you just want to get it over and done with, not save any money on it, I actually recommend you to just follow the step-by-step guide on how you can use the Absolute Amex card to get a 1.7% cashback, even if you were to pay annually. It doesn't really matter whether you do not refinance it. If it saves you some money, why not? It's free money anyway, right? If you're a working adult and you can apply for a credit card, I would recommend that you get the UOB Absolute Amex card and pay for your insurance premiums using that, because out there in the market, I think the best card that you can use to get insurance premium cashback is the UOB Absolute Amex. I know that Amex actually offers you another card, but it's only 1.5%. The highest cashback that you can earn for paying your insurance premium is the UOB Absolute Amex card, and it gives you a 1.7% cashback. I'll show you a breakdown of how much I've been earning using the UOB Absolute Amex card every single month for the past year. I'll put it up here just to show you how much I've been earning. It is really good. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section. I'll gladly help you out on this. If we can all save some money, why not, right? It's free information out there. Right now, I'm giving you a guide, an opinion. It's my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an average Singaporean right here in Singapore, navigating through this personal financial journey and sharing it here on YouTube so that maybe some of you can learn it as well. I do know of people who pay their premiums monthly, because doing it annually, I know you feel some pinch. If I were to add up all my insurance premiums that I were to pay monthly, I would incur a $5,900.82. It is a huge pinch to actually pay one shot. In my opinion, if I were to do it annually, I would actually stagger the annual payments. So say for example, I have a hospital plan that is $500 due annually. I would do it in January, and then I'll spread out. Maybe in March, I will pay for my whole life, which is like about $2,300 in March. So I get in between 1 month so that I have some space to actually like save some money on that as well. And if you have more insurance policies, you can pay in like June, then after that August, and then November. You get the gist. So you stagger your insurance premiums that you are going to pay monthly, and maybe you won't feel that much of a pinch. If you don't use the Absolute Amex card to pay, or you won't find another way to actually refinance this insurance premiums payment, at least pay your insurance premium annually to save you some money. And on top of that, if you want to go the extra mile, you can actually pay using the UOB Absolute Amex card annually, and you will also earn 1.7% cashback on that. So let me know in the comment section whether this has helped you. Honestly, this is what I'm actually thinking about right now as well, how to actually stagger my insurance premium, what is the best way to go about it. I've been paying my insurance premium for about 2 years now, and I do feel the pinch paying it annually. Sometimes when I can refinance, I will refinance, and if not, I'll pay annually and stagger it for different months. If this content has helped you, give this a big thumbs up. Follow me on this journey of personal finance right here in Singapore. And if you like this content, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.